Hey, my name is Cindy Neves, and I own Sweets by Cindy in Junction City. I've had the bakery here now for 10 years, actually this week. We do cakes, cupcakes, a lot of specialty items for people, birthdays, weddings, just about anything that you could think of. And we have a partner with a friend of mine, and we've actually opened up a flower shop in the same building as our cake shop. It's actually right next door, so we have partnered and we can offer people not only the sweet side of things, but also the gift side with flowers, different gifts for different occasions. We can do anything from weddings to funerals and just anything in between. And we use actually Sky Systemz in both businesses. And it makes it easy on both of us. We can use the same system if any one of us needs anything. I was introduced to Sky Systemz over a year ago probably, and I have had just great results. The fees are assessed not to me, and that makes it very handy for me. I've referred several people just because I think it's a nice added benefit that helps the business owner. Makes things a lot easier on our end, and the customer service has been great. If we've ever had any issues with anything, I've always had a quick response. Somebody's always answered my call right then and got us fixed up and taken care of, no problems. So I can't say anything negative at all. We've always had good results, and the people that come to check on me are amazing too. So, and it helps when you have nice people to work with. Helps everybody, it helps my business, and helps everybody that comes in here because it makes it easy on everybody. My girls are starting to use the additional features. They're starting to put more products in. And I know in our other business, Sweetly Gathered, she's got a lot of stuff entered over there. She's a lot more technology focused than what I am. So we have, she's helping me with a lot of that because there's a lot of features in the system that I had no idea that were available, and very helpful with, calculating just your everyday things that you do, your balances at the end of the day, the end of the year, and the things that it just amazes me. Just as easy as loading your products into the system and, coming and everything's right at your fingertips. You don't have to look for anything, and it's all there. I've always been one of these people that did everything by paper. Did everything by paper from my job as a dental assistant for 24 years to this now for 10. We always wrote everything down, and I still write a lot of stuff down schedule wise. But when it comes to that, it's made it easier for me to bring that part of it into the business and help me understand it more too. So it's been very easy to work with. You can reach us anytime just by calling the store. You can reach us at 859-374-5005. We have a cell phone number that a lot of people send pictures of ideas to if they want us to do something or make something look like something that they want. And that's 859-583-3176. Or you can just reach out to us on Facebook. A lot of people do that too. A lot of people find pictures, ideas, and things that they like and they want to show somebody, and they bring it to us to see if we can do it. If you follow us on Facebook, look up Sweets by Cindy. We've got albums of all of our cakes and things that we've done on there, and there's a list of flavors that we post every day. If you want to come by for something sweet, you're more than welcome to come on in and grab what we have that day.